Looking for the best budget 4K monitors for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 budget 4K monitors that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a budget 4K monitors that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended budget 4K monitors. Number 1 on the list is Samsung UR59C. The Samsung UR59C is the best budget 4K monitor, offering a 32-inch VI panel with accuracy and curves. Image quality is superb, with bold, accurate colors and clear text after calibration. When we tested in sRGB mode, we recorded a color error of 4.3 dpi with visible errors, but our calibration, see our recommended settings on page 1 of the review, got it down to 0.9 dpi. So your web and games should look as intended. The UR59C also offers fantastic contrast, as expected from a VI panel, hitting an impressive 2590.51 after calibration. Ultra-wide screens typically offer more noticeable curves, but despite its 16:9 aspect ratio, the UR59C'(S1500R curve is pronounced and beneficial, allowing us to keep more windows in view. This monitor isn't fit for serious gaming, but casual players can make it work. The UR59C has a 60 Hz refresh rate, 4 milliseconds response time, and no FreeSync or G-Sync to fight screen tears. You'd get noticeably better response times and input lag scores from a 75 Hz screen. But games didn't look bad with its high contrast and the pixel density of a 32-inch 4K screen. So if your games that aren't graphically intense or at lower settings and you have a speed enough graphics card that can consistently hit 60 frames per second (FPS), you can enjoy blur-free gaming on the UR59C. Second on the list is Asus TUF Gaming VG289Q. You'll have to pay a hefty price for a monitor that can push 8.3 million pixels at a 144 Hz refresh rate. The best budget 4K gaming monitor, the Asus TUF Gaming VG289Q, is a slower 60 Hz, but fights screen tears with FreeSync. Yes, input lag is significantly larger than what you'll find on a 144 Hz monitor, as is response time. But this is an excellent option if you're working with a budget graphics card and want your games to look detailed and realistic. SDR games looked extra colorful on the VG289Q, and dynamic contrast brought subtle visual benefits, like added dimension. However, there are screens on this page with better contrast. HDR isn't as fantastic as you'll find on a monitor with a full array local dimming, fault, backlighter and edge array backlight, but shadows and highlights looked more distinct, and we enjoyed the color boost. For more premium high-res gaming screens, check out our best 4K gaming monitors roundup. Number 3 on the list is LG 32UN 500W. If the best budget 4K monitor for you is in the 32-inch range, check out the LG 32UN 500W. Contrast is a top consideration for image quality, and the 32UN 500W SVI panel didn't disappoint in our benchmarks, hitting 2353.91 out of the box. In addition, the 32UN 500W's native color gamut is DCI-P3, and it covers that color space accurately without any visible errors. Again, as a budget 4K monitor, the 32UN 500W isn't winning any HDR prizes. Color lacks the expected pop, and overall the image doesn't provide a noticeable boost over SDR. But the 32UN 500W also thoughtfully includes 2 5W speakers and even AMD FreeSync to fight screen tears during casual gaming. In general, it delivered popping colors with deep blacks, making it a great fit for your favorite 4K movie and the like. Number 4 on the list is Dell S2721QS. The Dell S2721QS earns the title of best 27-inch budget 4K monitor with a bright screen, reliably accurate image, and useful add-ons. Those bonus add-ons include the ability to connect multiple PCs and view them simultaneously via picture-in-picture or picture-by-picture, and an optional app that makes it easy to calibrate the screen or arrange up to 6 windows in various preset layouts. The latter is a productivity boon. HDR isn't this monitor's strong suit. We recorded under saturated color in this mode, as well as visible grayscale errors. And this monitor doesn't have the speed or adaptive sync, FreeSync or G-Sync, to make it an appropriate gaming screen. But in terms of image quality, this is a bright screen, hitting 393 nits in our testing, along with solid contrast for an IPS monitor, 1101. You can also expect accurate colors. We recorded just a 2.62 error with sRGB color. For a 27-incher with greater port selection, CR. Number 5 on the list is Samsung 27-inch S80 UA. The Samsung 27 S80 UA is a little more expensive than the other monitors on this page, but you won't have to worry about image quality. It's super colorful for a budget screen, covering 95% of DCI-P3, according to our testing, and accurately. You can also opt for sRGB mode, which also offers a low color gamut error of just 2.8. Great for productivity, the S80 UA has a great port selection, plus a USB hub. You can add 3 USB-A ports to your PC by connecting the monitor via USB-C. It can also charge devices via USB-C at up to 100W, so you may be able to ditch your ultra-portable laptop's charger. You also have DisplayPort and HDMI options, and even a headphone jack. But there are no speakers, and like many budget 4K screens, HDR is a bust. You're better off watching your HDR movies in the monitor's SDR modes, but color will still look great. On top of that, the stand is reliable, even in portrait mode, but is a little low, despite height adjustment. Just now is a list of 5 best budget 4K monitors that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.